difference between steps and walks in Latin American dancing. So when we going to the side, normally we refer it to the side step. So it means there is a split weight position and there is way more control how we transfer foot from that split weight position to other foot. When we're going forward, let's say rumba, we call it rumba walk. What it means that you step, there is a still split weight, but we're more rolling our weight, so we're walking over. We're stepping with intention to continue our steps over. So the steps could be done forward. Let's say if we're dancing lock step. So this is called lock step. So we step, therefore we want to really control that split weight position so we can lock. But we exit, for example, with the real walk where our body intention is to continue forward, and after the forward walk, there will be probably another forward walk. So the steps, in steps we have way more control in that split position, and normally we do lock steps or side steps. In walks, we continue or we intend to our spine to move more forward in a gradual way. So this will be rumba walks. So let's say if we dance cha-cha-cha, we have two walks.